Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is August 2nd, 2015. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market uptrend is still under pressure. Current trade, currently I only long a few stocks with a very small position. I'm shorting China index ETF. I'm also shorting energy sector index ETF. Let's take a look at indices and their charts. German DAX index last week has a small rebound, but the overall trend is still going down. Nasdaq index has a little rebound, but the volume is not impressive, so the market is still under pressure. Mid cap rebounded last week as well. It's approaching 50-day moving average. That should be a resistance, so anticipate next leg down. Small cap is pretty weak and below 50-day moving average. SP 500 large cap, and it's in the trading range pretty much. Gold price, gold is still in a downtrend, but it may try to find support here. Silver downtrend. Gold mining ETF, gold mining stock ETF downtrend. US dollar is in the uptrend. Crude oil downtrend. It just rebound a little bit and come down. This EYR is 3 times of the energy sector ETF, so it's tied with the inverse of energy sector ETF. ERY is on the uptrend. And last week it pulled back a little bit and find support and try to go up again. USO crude oil ETF downtrend. XLE is a energy sector ETF in the downtrend. ERY is a 3 times inverse of XLE. On China stock China index monthly chart, and we talked last week, China index, when they crash, it turned to last for something around like a year, and right now we are in the second month of coming down. So we cannot see, based on the history, we cannot see China stock has found the bottom here. It has a high probability it may continue come down. That's just from a probability point of view. Weekly chart, China index came down 3 weeks and dropped 30% and rebound another 3 weeks, and last week have a leg down. And daily chart here, it just rebound to Fibonacci's retracement. That's a resistance, which is around 50%. Actually, it's just in this area and came down again, and looks like more likely it will continue come down, but it won't just come down straight line. It may just rebound a little bit and come down, rebound a little bit, come down. So that's China index. This is a China related ETF and just correlated with the index. Another ETF also come down. FXI, another ETF. And YANG, this is a inverse 3 times with the China index, and it's in the uptrend. So when China index come down, YANG will go up. So right now this is in the uptrend. This is something, if you want to play China market on the bearish side, this is something can be used. YINN is a bullish 3 times, is coming down. So this drop 3 times faster than the index. IYR is the US real estate index ETF. It's in a downtrend, but last week in the last couple of weeks it tried to rebound. JJC is a copper price come down. All this commodity coming down is all affected by the China stock market, but they have been down for a long time. So commodity market is in the bearish phase. NBB is the U.S. Real estate mortgage bond price. It looks like now it tried to go up. That means mortgage interest rate is coming down. Semiconductor ETF coming down, downtrend, and social media ETF downtrend. Solar ETF, solar stock ETF downtrend. This is US XLF is a US financial ETF. It's in the uptrend. And let's take a look at a list of the stocks. And there are few stocks in the uptrend and still in the buy range. Some of them has not yet broke out. And then there's a list of stocks that's in uptrend but out of the buy range. And then there's one stock broke down last week data. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm gonna use the IBD leaderboard chart. CBG, that's the first stock in the uptrend and within the buy range. And $39.10, that's a breakout pivotal point. So right now it hasn't break out yet. And next one would be MLM. And MLM broke out and pulled back. So right now it's in the buy range. And Ulta Salon. Ulta Salon is a cosmetics company. They sell cosmetics product. Broke out at $160 around this range, and now it's in the buy range. And Zebra, ZBRA. It's a software company. It broke out, but fall below the breakout pivotal point, and it's also below 50-day moving average. And on the down day, volume is really high. So this stock, actually, I will stay away. It looks like it breaks support 110. So this stock is just cautious, not a buy candidate at all. So let's take a look at the stocks that's in the uptrend, but they're too extended to buy. AYI. This is stock in the uptrend, but there's no buy point. So if you have bought it, you can continue hold on. If you have not yet bought it, just stay away. This is a no buy point. Blackhawk, HALK, breakout point is here, also too extended. Facebook. Okay, Facebook breakout point is $86. Right now it's too extended to buy. So, okay, this is a too extended to buy. So this is a Facebook. And then there is FIT. FIT, wait a second. This is not FIT, this is still on the Facebook. Okay, FIT, that's stock broke out here, $40, and went up and pretty much hit 20% profit taking. Now it pulled back and reversed back up again. So there's no buy point, no proper buy point, but the stock is still in the uptrend. Next one is a Norwegian Cruise Line, NCLH. And breakout point is $57.65 right here. And after report earning, this stock jump up. So right now it's way too extended. Palo Alto Network. Palo Alto Network, this is stock has been going up for a while, and Let's see. The stock has gone up for a while and is in a strong uptrend. Right now, there's really no buy point. And then Visa, that's one stock. Visa breakout point is $70.79, and right now it's above $75. It's too high, so there's no buy point. Now let's take a look at the stock that break down last week. Data, the soft tablet. Okay, this stock broke down pretty hard after report earning, broke down really hard. So it was previously in the uptrend, had several gap up. Now last week had a gap down. So stock like that, usually that mark the end of the uptrend, and it may rebound, but it will just hit the resistance around the gap area and come down. So that's pretty typical chart that stocks suddenly gap down on the previous uptrend, and with a very high volume, that's institution are selling this stock. So this stock we should stay out of it. What to do in current market? My strategy will be trade light and stay mostly in cash. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.